What's happening, good people? About to head to this car meet out in Napa. Mike told me about earlier, so I'm gonna pull up there for a second, see what it's looking like. And since my last video, unfortunately, I had to put Rocky down, had to put my dog down. He started doing pretty bad, so I couldn't have him suffer anymore. So pretty sad week for me, but I'm doing better now. But yeah, we're gonna get to this car meet and holler at y'all in a minute. All right, we just showed up to the meet, and they got yes, I need content, my brother, and they got some stuff out here. Look at all this, man. Oh damn, he got the thing down. That's a clean wrap right there. Huh? That wrap. That's a clean little wrap. All whistling and stuff. What kind of ingredients you got in there? See, look. Should have drove Mary Blue. Just pulled up. Right here. Woo. Oh my God. What's going on now?
How you doing, sir?
All right. Red eye. Man, he's huge, man.
Thanks,
that's a good looking dog, man.
Yeah, go ahead. Nah, I'm buying them back. Holy shit. He might weigh more than you, man. Y'all gonna have to toss some tussle.
That's gonna be a heavyweight title fight right there, huh?
You must have ate chicken or something.
I can't look at that. I can't look at it. That's my boy right there, man. That might be my boy. Alright, just got to the house. That was a real short video. I ain't had that much content. You know, I was just trying to enjoy myself and talk to folks. But yeah. Till next time, man. I'll let you on in a minute. Peace.